Hey guys, it's Danny. Alrighty, today I wasn't going to film, I have to say, because it's that part of the day when it's very noisy outside, meaning it's 11 o'clock. And as you can tell by the echo in my room, I closed the windows and I don't like doing that. Anyway, enough complaining. I ordered something, so today we're gonna make an unboxing. So here we go, the first kind of official order of the year. And I've already unboxed a little bit. I've opened the box, and the first thing that I saw when I pulled away all of this wrapping, I just got so excited when I saw this, I had to film. Lovely noises, right? Well, we're gonna have to deal with it. I'm done being angry about it. So, before we get into the box, remember I told you that I have bad history with Renanthera monachica, in the sense that I purchased mine a long time ago and I potted it in a very bad organic potting medium, which I believe was not sterilized. It contacted what I believe was a fungal disease. I could never get rid of it, and pretty much it never excelled. So in the course of 4 years, it just died off. I was never meant to see its flowers. Lovely. Also, I ordered myself a Renanthera monachica hybrid. It was a hybrid with a phalaenopsis. And what do you know? I think I'm gonna lose that one as well. Although the top leaf didn't dry and die just yet, who knows, maybe there is hope, but I messed that one up because I ordered it in January. I really wanted to have it, and yeah, it wasn't a good idea. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try again. I told you last week that I'm gonna buy myself, or actually I ordered another Renanthera monachica, and it's here, and I saw flowers inside. I reckon they're not gonna look all that great because transport, but at least they're gonna be flowers, and I just wanted to take you along with me to share the joy. Whether this will be joy or tears, I don't know. Let's hope for joy. At least we know that the orchid can bloom. And P.S. this order comes from Poland, from Orchid Garden. I know some people don't like the nursery. My mentality is as such. We're ordering the live things. This is a nursery that has about 1,000 live things. There will be issues. With Schwerter, there will be issues. With anything, there will be issues. If I have an issue, I'm going to return it because customer service is more important for me. And I've always had beautiful customer service with this company. Therefore, if I get a dud, I'm just going to contact them and I shall get refunded, or I will get a replaced orchid. So that's great. Personally, if they wouldn't refund me and I got a dud, no matter how many good orchids they would give me afterwards, I would still, not order from that company. I'm not saying it's a good thing, I'm just saying it's how I work. I care about, the customer service more. Alrighty, so clearly we can see this is a Renanthera monachica. So you can see the top part of the orchid, the flower spike, but what about the orchid? There is a very high chance I was not in frame for all of this. I think the flower spike is really limp. It's okay, come on, let's have a good orchid. Oh no, damn it. Spike is broken. My luck. You see, there's this thing in the universe that prevents me from enjoying a monachica or a monachica hybrid. Maybe it's my pronunciation. Oh, but the orchid is beautiful. Oh, the orchid is just fantastic. Yes, I'm much better now. So let me get you a more focused idea. Yep, we have a broken flower spike here. It looks like it was broken a while back because the wound is already dried, and by the looks of the flowers, well, there we go. You know what? I'm gonna put it in water. Let's just do that and see what happens. But let's just take a look so we have an idea at least about the flowers. I know, right? I know. It's orange, kind of. Not really, but it can pass as orange. Oh, it's beautiful. It's just, I'm a little sad it's broken, but it's okay. I'm gonna put her in water. Always look on the bright side of life. Do you know that bit? Well, it's a bit of a dark humor sketch, but I'll share it down below in the description because it kind of fits right now. I'm just gonna let you know that it is sarcastic and very dark humor. If you get offended easily by those stuff, just don't watch it. And if you do watch it, even though I warned you, well, I cannot help you there. But if you're okay with the very dark humor, just watch it. It's very funny. So here we are. It's a beautiful orchid. Okay, my old Renanthera monachica did not look like this. Clearly it had issues. This one is clearly in tip-top condition. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm in love. So good, so good. Well, I saw it in a picture on eBay, I have to say. I was just not sure if I would receive this one, but I did. So yeah, it's actually looking better than the picture. Very, very satisfied with it. Slightly sad about the flower spike, but it's an interesting story to tell at least, right? Gotta love the irony, at least that, and I love ironies. Alrighty, let's get on with the other orchids in the box. But what is this? Is the universe trying to tell me, hey Danny, you know what? Sorry, I kind of messed around with you a little too much. Here's something good for you. Or it's just a mistake and I will have to return it. I ordered 3 orchids. We unpacked 1 and we have 3 more to go. Now, I'm not a math expert, but that tells me something's wrong. So either we received a bonus orchid, which I never receive, and you know, it's gonna be a nice way for the universe to just make it up for me for the whole monachica situation. Either it's a mistake and I will have to contact Justina, return one, or if I like it, you know, pay for it and keep it. But yeah, let's see what we have here. Please let it be a bonus orchid, please. I'll tell you which one is bonus. The joys, the joys. Come on, make it up to me, universe. You're never on my side. No, okay, this is not the bonus orchid. I actually purchased this one. This is an Ascocentrum christensonianum, I suppose. I'll show you a picture. It's a vandaceous type of orchid with the most beautiful, dainty, pinkish little flowers. Now, I'm all up for showy. I like showy flowers, I cannot deny that. But I myself am not a showy person, even though I do have red hair. But that's just because I have very, very pale skin and other colors just makes me look a little, well, there's no fun way to say this, dead. So I kind of need a fleshy color in my head. But anyway, I'm not a flashy person, and in my preferences, there are a whole lot of things that I don't like them to be flashy. One of them is flowers. I like very, how should I describe them though, without sounding smug? I prefer sometimes more hidden beauty type of things, more not standout type of things when it comes to flowers. And I love tiny little flowers that just invite you in closer for a better look. You know what I mean? Not sure you do. But anyway, this is the orchid. It is actually a very tiny orchid and mine appears to be looking better than what I saw in the picture. So I'm good with this. But let's see about the other orchids, because I'm curious at this point. Could you be my mystery orchid? The packaging was really good, you have to. Oh no, oh, this is the, what is this? I did not order this. Did I? No, I ordered a different Angraecum. It was the leonis. This is something, you know, it doesn't look all that great. But hey, maybe it is actually a bonus plant because it wasn't in the best of shape. But anyway, yeah, this is in very, very bad shape. And it's because the medium was wet. I would just love it if the universe made that sound stop. Nope, it's stronger now. Anyway, so yeah, the medium was wet on this one. Look at the paper, you can actually see it's wet. So I didn't order this. But it would have been nice for it to be okay. It doesn't look severely bad, but it doesn't look all that great either. Yeah, this is due to the moisture, so I'm gonna take a picture and send it to Justina and see about the situation of this one. So theoretically, this should be another Angraecum. And if it's not, yeah, this is the leonis. But I don't, oh no, I ordered all of them. Oh, okay. Well, I actually didn't want to order the other Angraecum because, well, it's not supposed to be very warmth tolerant. So I don't remember at this point if I took it out of my cart or I did not. Apparently I did not, most probably. So here we go again. The universe absolutely hates me at this point. But it's okay. I think this one looks okay, and I will take a picture of the other one. Just send it back to Justina and get either a refund or a replacement or something of the sorts. There we go. This one doesn't look bad. The root system is not in the best of shape, but that's okay. I can make it, hopefully I can make it root. This one I'm okay with. The only one that I'm not okay with is the other Angraecum, which for whatever reason I decided to purchase. I don't understand myself all the time. So this has been my little haul. I already took the Renanthera away. The Renanthera looks really, really nice. This one looks okay, looks nice. This one looks okay-ish. This one, I shall take a picture and see what I can do about it. But there we go. This has been the first haul of the season. And with a bit of luck, we're gonna have some more hauls this year. Hope you've enjoyed the unboxing. I'm seriously considering not to do unboxings anymore because, I don't know. But then I find myself actually looking for unboxings on the internet just for inspiration reasons. I wanna see what people get, what they buy. Maybe I wanna buy them myself as well. So I was thinking, okay, I'm gonna film some of them, but probably not all of the unboxings. But you know what? You guys should let me know if you do prefer me to film all of the unboxings or just select the most important ones or the biggest ones, or I don't know. I just wanted to film this one after I saw those flowers. It's actually not my perfect hour of filming because at this hour everybody does a lot of noise. So anyway, thank you guys for watching and hanging out with me today. You know the drill. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, give it a thumbs down. Subscribe to my channel for regular orchid videos and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss any of these super informative videos. And with that said, I'll see you all next time. Bye!